Hello my dear subscriber and viewers, welcome back to Akshara Akshita 2023 channel. In this video, I am going to explain about coding guidelines for ERCP. So in last video, I have explained about open abdominal, intra-abdominal procedures and endoscopy, colonoscopy, then laparoscopy. So these topics already completed in last video. Those who are not watched yet, please check my playlist English and Tamil also. So those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press bell button, select all, then only you will get my future videos as notifications. Okay guys, let's start coding guidelines for ERCP. So definition of ERCP is examination of the hepatic biliary systems. Hepatic biliary systems contains pancreatic duct, hepatic duct, then common bile duct, duodenal papillae, that is ampulla of water, and gallbladder if it is present. These are performed through the side viewing flexible fibrotic endoscopy. This is called as ERCP. This definition you can find in your book itself, the starting of the first code itself. Okay, then so the code range for ERCP, the therapeutic ERCP is 43261, 62, 63, 64, 65, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. These are for therapeutic ERCP. For diagnostic ERCP, code is 43260. So the first guidelines is whatever therapeutic procedures are performing, so please code all procedures according to the edit. Then if therapeutic procedures performed, diagnostic ERCP is included in the therapeutic ERCP. Diagnostic ERCP we cannot bill 43260 with any of these CPT codes. Okay, any of the therapeutic CPT codes we cannot bill diagnostic ERCP code. Okay, next point is ERCP considered complete if one or more of the ductal system is visualized, that is pancreatic or biliary system. If it is visualized, then we can consider complete ERCP procedure. Okay, then next point is to report ERCP attempted but with unsuccessful cannulation of any ductal system, means we have to code range from 43235, 43259, then 43266, 43270. So ERCP attempted but with unsuccessful cannulation of any ductal system. We have to code endoscopy procedures only, we should not code ERCP CPT codes. Then next point is percutaneous biliary catheter procedure, code range from 47490 to 47544. Okay, the next point is ERCP with stent placement includes balloon dilation if it is same duct. So if it is different duct, we can code both with 59 modifier. If it is same duct, stent as well as balloon dilation procedure, means we should not code balloon dilation with the stent ERCP CPT code. Okay. Next point is ERCP with more than one stent if placed with different duct or same duct but different side, means we can code stent 2 times with 59 modifier. Okay, so stent placement more than one duct if placed, we can code 2 times with 59 modifier. This is one type. Then another type, same duct but different side, that is left or left and right side, then also we can code 2 times stent placement 2 times code, then 59 modifier. So 10 stent placement code is 43274. Like same concept, stent exchange also, if more than one stent exchanged during the same session, we can bill 43276 2 times with the 59 modifier if it is same duct or if it is same duct with a different side or different duct. Okay, next point is ERCP with balloon dilation more than one time more than one duct during the same session, we can bill 2 times with the 59 modifier. Like same stent means same stent balloon dilation also, if it is more than one duct performed, then we can bill 2 times with the 59 modifier. Okay. Next point is sphincteroplasty, which is balloon dilation of the ampulla. Code is 43277, includes sphincterotomy. So sphincterotomy we should not bill with the sphincteroplasty. So sphincterotomy CPT code is 43262. Sphincteroplasty CPT code is 43277. Okay. Next point is optical endomicroscopy of the biliary tract and pancreas. CPT code is 0397T. So we don't have CPT code, we have to code only temporary code on. Okay. So whenever doctor performing optical endomicroscopy of biliary tract and pancreas, please code temporary code only. Do not use, we don't have CPT code for this procedure. So this procedure, temporary code, do not report optical endomicroscopy more than once per session. Okay. Next point is same like before what I told, biliary dilation both right and left hepatic duct means we can code 2 times with 59 modifier. Then transendoscopy balloon dilation of multiple structures during the same session, then we can use 43277 2 times with 59 modifier. Next point is do not report 43277 with 4327476. So I told you already, if it is same duct dilation, then replacement of stent, then replacement of stent, both we cannot bill together. We have to bill only stent code, stent placement or stent replacement code if it is same duct. If different duct means we can code both with 59 modifier. Okay. Then endoscopic cannulation of papillae CPT code is 43273, may be reported once per procedure only. Okay. Okay guys, ERCP coding guidelines is finished. So if you have any doubt, please comment. If you like this video, please like, and whatever topics I am posting for theoretical, please check my blog also. So blog link I have pasted in my comment description box. So those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Then in next video I am going to post regarding hernia repair. This hernia repair is new update in 2023. So there is a small changes, not small, there is big changes we can tell. So I am going to post next video as a hernia repair procedure guidelines. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.